hope the audio is still okay on my Osmo, but I'm in Harajuku. It's that time of morning when nothing is open yet. All the trucks are out. I don't think Daiso's even open, or it just opened. That one opens earliest, but I'm going to a shrine first because they have, I always forget what they're called, those little pouches on the string. They have like sangria ones, and apparently sometimes they have the Shinkansen character from Jemerey, which is my favorite. Big on Temptress. Oh no. So I woke up at like 7 a.m. because it's 9 a.m. in Melbourne, and that's when my wife has her medicine, and I'm like, I'm not going back to sleep. I'll just slowly shift my sleep. Because that would be wrecked. Charli arrives this afternoon, so I'm like, I'm gonna go to this shrine and then try and find the things from Daiso that I needed. Alright, this way. And yeah, hopefully we can fix my hair tomorrow. You song. I need to get out of Takushi door. I come here for ACDC Rag, the big Daiso, and then like the big Uyghurs. Other than that, I do not want to be on the street. I got some good gacha there and some of the Daiso things I want, but now I gotta go find Thank You Mark because it's not on the street anymore. Hello. I'm trying to escape Takushi Dori. I'm almost there. Okay. There's just a lot of people. Like everything opened. It came before open. I have great news. Daiso had, although it was 500 yen, that hurt. Sanrio finger puppets. Blind box. So I'm now the proud owner of one of those. No Vivian until Charli's here. Them's the rules. They're my rules. She never said that. Oh, that place that I used to eat across from La Ferre's gone too. Oh well. Can't have anything. Down there, it's currently at that crossing where the toy store's down there, Condomania used to be there, and Takushi Dori's there. Got my straightener. I got one of those like heat protecting cases, and there wasn't many options, so I got Teletubbies. I need to eat something, so I might see if IKEA still has their fake chicken. If not, maybe go to Mossburger and just get a burger. And then I think I'm gonna go to Tokyo Station to go to some train stores. Like I said previously, I'm trying not to do like specific things until Charli gets here, which still a few hours out, so I have a lot of time to kill. You tell me, buddy, you tell me.
We look forward to your visit.
Ice cream. This is like a sweets vending machine, and this is plant-based. I think I can eat that because all the other ones were okay. What are these? They're like donuts. They do pink, and other ones are not little ones. Ooh, I don't need or want any of this. I came here for food. So the Australian dollar and the yen have been it's so loud. So the Australian dollar and yen have been flirting with each other all year, getting like super close, and then I found out that the Australian dollar is currently stronger than the yen by ordering this because you had to pay by card. If I have 50 yen, I'm getting a soft set. Oh, Oh, is that one? Oh. It's been like 12 to 14 years since I've had soft serve. I think. I can't remember how to say it. I need to walk around after eating that. I don't know how my stomach's gonna react, but I also want to be out in the sun for a bit. So. I did not walk the whole park. I walked around that first little corner where the seats are and just enjoyed the sounds of birds and trains in the distance. It's the first latch boy I've seen. It's Harijuku. I don't know his name. My favorite is the one for Akihabara Station. His name's Raiden. And my second favorite is the Kanda one, and my third favorite is Tokyo. This is his celebration of the 100 years of the Yamanote. That's so cute! They all have a poster up at the moment too of it. And then most stations are supposed to have the cutout, but I don't know. We want one. If you don't know, Station Out of Latch is one of those anime boy groups, which is in collaboration with Jemerey. And they're the Yamanote. There's a boy for every single Yamanote, and I love them. Raiden is Akihabara. He loves video games, he loves concerts, and she's also huge. She's like really tall. Everything you could want. And now we're at Tokyo Station, but we're not going to Karen District. We're going to go to Grand Star, and then we're going to go to the tourist center, and then we're going to go to the train yard store out near the Tokyo train museum thing. Okay? We're not going to Character Street. I wish I could eat any of these. I think also they're decommissioning them finally. I think I can drink the Dr. Quish. If I can, I'm going to get a Dr. Yellow at one point. This is the place we want. Because they sell train stuff in here. Look. Oh, the Suica. Oh, the big boy. If I have a bunch of money when it's time to leave, I will get the big boy. I wanted to come to the service center because they give out like a free keyring if you follow like a page on Instagram or something, but it says they're out of stock, so I'm glad that I didn't like go into it. Alright, to the other store. Done. Tokyo Station. I think where I need to go is over this way. I could be completely wrong, but I came out the I can't read from Marunouchi North entrance, I think. Yeah. This way. It's a very nice day when I'm not in the direct sunlight. The sunlight sucks. I walked to the south exit from the north. I think what I just need to do is go underground. I know there's shops underground near the north, but I mean, yeah, the north. Is it in here? It's underground near the north exit. I thought so. Now to figure out which direction, because maps doesn't really work that well underground, so it could be. I'm just gonna go this way. This feels right. Map says this too. I could only find the one that's inside the station, so I'm back inside the station. So cute. Oh, look at that. I have this. It's great. There's actually two things that I'm looking for. One is a teacup with like stamps on it, like the train stamps, and the other is Passmo. So we're gonna get Passmo, and then we're gonna see if they have the teacup. It does not look like they have the cup. I think I have to order online. Same with the Sanrio collection. They're not gonna have much here. Are we going up to the Pokemon store and everything, and the pop-up penguin store and everything? No, we're going out. This tiny escalator does have a good view. I'm so excited for Pingu, but not yet. Down we go. Alright, back on the floor we are. So cute. My son. He's beautiful. Charlie's almost here, but they do the trains. That's so cute. I I came down just to wait for her, and then I saw that cute whiteboard. I'm so excited. My best friend's coming. 2 more minutes. I am waiting. Pengu! I found Charlie, but we also found Pengu. It's like a whole pixel one. Yeah. I wanted the clear files. It is overwhelming today. We are gonna go to a different one another day. No. It is strobing. Oh. We meet again, Party Rico. Found him. Charlie found him. I'm too blind. I just got that hot man radar. I have Charlie's presents and the t-shirts that she wanted. I have her sweet treat and her Twilight shirt, and then the Nana ones that she asked me to get her. Must deliver. I must deliver the goods so that I can eat. I want to eat. Let's go eat. I want to eat the lollipops actually, because I have a pack for myself. I forgot that I made myself a sweetie treat. That's closed. That's closed. Ugh. The skyline. Want that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. All of them. Any of them. They're all really cute. Oh, I think these are the black ones. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Apparently they're phone pouches. Will it fit my... I think... It should. It's squash. If I film this directly, I can't show them what I'm looking at. But if I film it this way, they can see what I'm looking at behind me. You can't take your mouse pad with you. You can buy a mini mouse pad. Done, pen. They have a sea lion, like they got a seal, but sea lions are my favorite. I love it. Oh, the slouch socks. Look at the slouch socks with Kitty on it. They had the same sets as last time. I got that last time. Get overstimulated and donkey with me. Woo!